Morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Today, I am going to teach you about two-dimensional figures and three-dimensional figures. You have already learned in previous classes about the plane figures. Like this is,
Twinkle,
and this is,
twinkle,
and this is.
twinkle.
This can be drawn only on plain paper. This is plain paper. No? We can draw only on plain paper. So 2D figures. I have written on the board. Say, the geometrical figures which have only two dimensions, such as length and breadth, in bracket or height, but no thickness, is called two-dimensional figures. Example: triangles, rectangles, circles. Now, I am going to tell you about 3D figures. 3D, three-dimensional figures. Three-dimensional figures mean the figures, the geometrical figures which have three dimensions, which have three dimensions, length, breadth, and height. Length, breadth, and height. And see, what is this? This is geometry box. This is geometry box. And what is this? This is bulb box.
Bamboo.
We keep bulb in this inside it. This is bulb box. And this is what?
Bamboo.
This is a book. Nay, say here.
Bamboo.
And this is bulb box and this is book. See here. Length. This is called length. From here to here. Length. And this is breadth.
Grass.
And this one is height.
Height.
Or if we say this is length, this is breadth, this one is height. So length, breadth, and height. So this is three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional object means which can occupy a space and have three dimensions. So I can write on the board. Three D figures. The geometrical figures, the geometrical figures or any solid objects which occupy a space dimensions, three dimensions as length, breadth, and height are called three-dimensional, three-dimensional, three-dimensional 3D objects. Examples: dice of a Ludo, geometry box, geometry box, book, table, almirah, almirah, a ball, and funeral, etc. Then, 3D figures. The geometrical figures of any solid objects which occupy a space. This is geometry box. We can keep here. But triangle we cannot keep here. We can draw only. So this is solid objects. Then, and which occupy a space. So we can keep here. It holds a space and it has three dimensions: length, breadth, and height. Length, breadth, and height. Then, for example, dice of Ludo. Have you seen Ludo? Have you played Ludo? In Ludo, have you seen it? In Ludo. This is an example of cube. See, all sides have equal length, equal breadth, and equal height. So this is Ludo. And this is a bulk box. Okay. And it is like a cuboid. It is like a cuboid. Length, breadth, height. So it is a example of cuboid. And this is example of cube. Now, other example like cone. Cone, final is an example of cone. Do you have pencil? Pencil. See here. This is a pencil. What is this?
Pencil.
It is tempered in one end. Another end is plain. So, this is example of a cone. Like ice cream cone, joker's cake. These are the example of cone. And what you play ball, football, volleyball, like that. These are the examples of a sphere. And cylinder. Once cylinder is there, gas cylinder have you seen? In your house, gas cylinder is there like that. This is a box. This is a small box. It is just like a cylinder. It is not cylinder but just like a cylinder. Cylinder has curved surface. Cylinder has curved surface and about the sphere. What is this? Have you seen it? This is, I made this ball with clay. And this is the seed of a plant. And this is marble. What is this? So these are the examples of a sphere. These are the examples of a sphere. Now I can show you how can we make our cube. We can make cube, cuboid, and cylinder, cone, and a sphere. So, what is this?
Scale.
This is a scale. And what is this?
Compass.
Compass. This is compass. And what is this?
Pencil.
With the help of this scale and pencil, we can make cube. How can we make cube? You can see here. You can see. We can take a rectangular piece of paper of like 8 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And divide into 4 parts. 4 parts. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this distance will be 2 centimeter. Sorry, 2 inch. And this also parallel to the above line 8 inch. We draw another line parallel to this. We also make point, put dot after 2 cm each. 2, 4, 6, 8. Again, we meet, join both points together, both points together. Again, we draw 2 inch after the first box. This is a box. How many boxes are there? Can you see? Hello. Can you see here? How many boxes are there? 4. From the second box, we can take 2 inch above side and 2 inch down side. So this is 2 inch and this also 2 inch. Here also 2 inch and here also 2 inch, and join this 2 inch and here also. Now we can cut here this one. Now we can cut it from here. Just have to fold it to make a cube. See here, this is a box. This is an example of cube. It is of course a box, but it is a cube, and each length, breadth, and height is 2 inch. From here to here 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 2 inch. Length, breadth, height. So everywhere is equal length, breadth, and height. So this is example of cube. What is example of cube? This is example of cube, like this. This is dice of Ludo. Nay, everywhere is same length, breadth, and height. Okay. So this is a cube. Now we can make cuboid also, but same way we can make cuboid. Now, how can we make a cylinder? See here. We take a few centimeters on the paper. This from paper sheet like 12 centimeter. I have taken 12. Look at here. I am going to make cylinder. Now, how can we prepare cylinder? I draw a line here. Can you see properly? Line, na? Now we cut it. We cut it along the line. We can fold it like that. We have folded it, and this is base, and this is also base. Two bases are there. Two plate surface. Again, and cut from here, and above it, I have to keep this paper to make a complete cylinder. I prepare this cylinder. So this is cylinder, and both sides, this is base and this is base. Flat surface. Two flat surface are there, and one curved surface is there. So this is cylinder. You got it? I am going to make cone. This is a cone I am going to make. Look here. I have taken 2 inch from here, 2 inch from here, with the help of a scale, 2 inch with the help of a scale, and draw a circle. Draw a circle, and this is a circle. What is this? This is a circle. Along the circular line, and draw a line through center. Another line also through center, and cut one part. There are 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 parts, we will have to cut one part. I have cut one part out of 4 parts and going to fold it. I have folded, and this is like a cone. It is a cone. Example of cone. We can make cone like that. This is cone. Okay. So in this way we can prepare. We can make all the geometrical figures like cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, and cylinder. Okay. Thank you very much, and we'll teach you in another classes. Thank you very much.